Hi, in this video we are going to learn to do binomial expansion using Pascal triangle. So the steps to success is that you must use Pascal triangle. Step 2 is to check n using Pascal triangle where n is the power. Then step 3 is to write down all the terms from the Pascal triangle. And then step 4 is to work out the expansion vertically. And then step 5 is combine and write your answers horizontally. Now this is actually very simple. It may sound very difficult, but it's actually very simple. So this is the Pascal triangle. Let's understand the Pascal triangle first. Now the Pascal triangle works with the first term here is 1. And when you split that up, you get 1 and 1. And then after that, it'll be 1. And then you 2, 1. Okay? Where n equals to 2, you get 1, 2, 1 because 1 plus 1, you get 2. Okay? So this triangle will continue on the same pattern. So you can see it's when n equals to 3, you start with 1 again, and then you get 3. Okay, the reason you get 3 is because 1 plus 2, you get 3. And then 2 plus 1, you get 3. And then you end with 1 again. So as you can see, the triangle has a very distinct pattern here. You start with 1, always start with 1, and you always end with 1. While the terms in the center, the middle here, will be the addition of the previous term on top of it. Yeah. So let's look at an example. It's easier to learn with example here. Now example 1, it says that expand bracket 1 plus 2x close the bracket power 5 using Pascal triangle. Okay, so step 1 is to use the Pascal triangle. Okay, and then step 2, right? From step 2, you must check n using the Pascal triangle where n is the power. So in this example here, since the power is 5, okay, since power equals to 5, so n is equals to 5. So we check the triangle where n equals to 5. So where n equals to 5, you should have 1, 5, 10, 10, 5, 1. Okay, 1, 5, 10, 10, 5, 1. So here at this row here. So we will work this out vertically. So we will write down the numbers first. Okay, 1. Okay, 1, 5, 10, 10, 5, 1. Okay, 1, 5, 10, 10, 5, 1. Okay, so what's next? Next, we will write down the terms in the bracket, which is 1 and then 2x. Now we'll put this in the bracket. So we'll just write down the rest of the same term 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. And this will be 2x, 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 and 2x. Okay, next is for the 1 here. Since the power of 5, we're going to start with the power 5. So you go with 5. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Yeah. Now for 2x, you will start with 5 at the bottom. So you get 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and 0. Okay, so we will work this out now. So this becomes 1 times 1 times 1 because 2x to the power of 0 is 1. Okay, so this equals to 1. Now the next one will be 5 times 1 times 2x. So you get 10x. And then you will have 10 times 1 times, now 2x squared, the bracket 2x squared is 4x squared. 4x squared. So you get 40x squared. And then you will have 10 times 1 times, now 2x to the power of 3 will be 8x cubed. So you will get 80x cubed. And then for the next one, you get 5 times 1 times, now 2 to the power of 4 is 16. So 16x to the power of 4 equals to 80x power 4. And the next one will be 1 times 1 times 2 to the power of 5 is 32x power 5. So you will get 32x power 5. Okay, so the next one, next step is to write down combine and write down answers. Sorry, write down your answer horizontally. Okay, so the results from what we have gotten will be just 1 plus 10x. The reason we plus is because 10x is positive. Yeah, so we again plus 40x squared and plus 80x cubed plus 80x to the power 4 and then plus 32x 5. And with this is the expansion to the answer.